What is going on, everyone? Back again with another video today, another different one. Not Supreme, not shoes, not anything hype like that. It's just some stuff from one of my favorite movie companies, A24. I ordered a couple things, and the way they kind of shipped, they all kind of lined up to be here in like a week or so apart. And so I just kind of waited to make one big unboxing instead of doing like 3 separate videos, because I knew the 3 separate videos wouldn't be worth doing because they're not big items. So it's like it'd be like, hey, look at this, okay, bye, and it'd be like a 3-minute video, and that's, as much as I want content, it's not worth it. So I'm just going to take this dub and just make a kind of mass unboxing video. So yeah, bought a couple things from A24. One of them's a collaboration, one of them's a special edition of something, and then one of them's a clothing item. First time ordering from A24, pretty quick shipping. The special edition of the DVD took a while to get here. I think it took about a month. Yeah, well, actually like a month and a half actually. But I mean, it's okay. I wasn't like, oh my god, I need this right now, so I'm not too worried about it. As far as I can tell, when you order stuff from A24, you do get little postcards for upcoming movies that are coming out from them. So the first one we got was Green Knight. I'm really excited about this. The guy that made A Ghost Story is making this film. It looks really good from the first trailer we got. Nice little postcard. I got 2 of these, so I'm just gonna show you the one. I got another one for the other order, wherever it's at. Yeah, there it is. I got 2 of them. Probably just gonna keep one. One of them's kind of messed up, so I'll probably keep one. Well, they're both kind of messed up, actually. I'll just choose one to keep, and I'll put it somewhere. I'm sure I can find a place to put these or give them to somebody. And then the other one is for Saint Maud, which is the horror movie from, I don't remember what her name is, but it's a female director. Looked pretty good. It was supposed to come out like July, but now it's like delayed until who knows when. But A24 horror movies are always really good, so I'm excited about this one. Saint Maud, Green Knight, you guys can look those up. The trailers are out for those. You can give them a gander and see if you'd be interested in watching those. Now on to the stuff. Guess we'll go from smallest, or yeah, we'll go from like least expensive to most expensive, I guess. So this one came in a package like this. Just kind of had A24 wrapped around it. Obviously, this is where my shipping information was, so I ripped it off. But it came in a nice little A24 packaging. So you open it up, a little tiny pin. This is from their Brain Dead collaboration. So they did, Brain Dead is a streetwear brand or a skate shop brand. This is their logo, the little face with the little zigzag line, mouth. Sorry, this is hard to get good lighting on this without like angling it super hard. But yeah, nice little pin. It was like $8. So it was like 12 after shipping and taxes. I missed out. They had a hat. On A24 site, they had a hat and this pin. The hat was already sold out. The hat was really nice. So that was a little upsetting. On Brain Dead site, they had a bunch of like long sleeve t-shirts that were actually really cool as well. I believe those are all sold out though too. I was late to the party. I didn't see this until like 4 hours after it came out, so I'm surprised this was still there. It's still on A24 if you want this pin. If you're interested in Brain Dead and you're interested in A24, it's a really good, cheap way to get something from both of them. So that's the first item. Second item was kind of a consolation prize since I couldn't get the Brain Dead hat. I decided to go with their winter logo hat. So it is I don't even know how to describe this color. Like a burnt orange, I think, would be like the best way to describe this color. And then on the back, you've got where it says A24 Films LLC. Nice little A24 little thing sewn into that. And then you got the sticker. Oh, my bad, sticker for what it is. Just the winter logo hat. Really nice hat. Really like the color. I definitely want to try to wear this in the winter because usually I wear beanies, but like some days it's not cold enough for beanies, so I want to try to start wearing hats in the winter, and I think this would be a really good hat to wear in the winter. It would really work well with the mood and the, you know, everything like that. So that's the second thing I bought, A24 winter logo hat. And then the final item I bought was the Midsommar director's cut, the 4K director's cut. Saw this in theaters a couple times. It's from Ari Aster. I really, really like Ari Aster. He's one of my favorite directors. Hereditary is probably one of my favorite horror movies. This is up there with those. This is like the director's cut of that. So I know there's like extra scenes and stuff like that. I don't know how different they would actually be, but I know it added like an extra 30 minutes to the film because it was like a 2.5-hour movie and it's like a 3-hour movie with this. This is kind of like a, make sure I'm actually facing this right way. This is kind of like a, the only way I can describe the texture of this, it's almost like a book. And it is kind of like a book. I believe there's like an art book in here. I guess we're just going to actually go and open this up for this because I'm not going to sell this or anything. So let me try to get this open. Get the knife. Get the knife to get the nice little clean cut. There we go. I'll peel this bad boy open. Yeah, feels like a book. That's exactly what it is. It's got like a, and then you eventually slide this out. Oh, that's really cool. So you got the, like the, I don't know what you want to call this, like a flower, almost like the thing, like just kind of like a flower mural. And on the back, you have the burning bear. If you've seen the film, obviously you'll know more about this than most people that haven't seen this movie. But you got the burning bear, and then when you open it up, oh, that's sick. So you got Florence Pugh as the Mayflower Queen as the disc, and it's kind of like this whole page graphic, which is really, really cool. That's awesome. That is awesome. And then I'm assuming this is kind of just like a, I'm just gonna kind of look through it real quick. You've got a forward by Martin Scorsese, and then you have artwork that just kind of follows throughout. So you just kind of got some of the artwork they use for the film, some of the murals from the hall that they stay in. Sorry if any of this is graphic or something like that, but I'm just kind of flipping through. And then you kind of got the credits in the back. So that's really, really cool. This one, definitely worth the price I paid for it. It was a little expensive. I got the 4K one, obviously, go big or go home kind of thing. But it's really cool. $50 for this with shipping and taxes. $35, I think, for this. No, yeah, 40. I think this was 40. I think it was 35, and then with shipping and taxes was 40. And then, like I said, like $12 for this. So overall, not too bad. I think it's worthwhile, especially that director's cut. That director's cut is awesome. I'm really stoked about having this. Definitely gonna watch this at some point. Here in the next couple weeks, days, whatever, at some point soon, for sure. But that's it for today's video. Just kind of want to show you guys a couple of things I did get from A24. Like I said, if you guys are interested in any of this, the only thing that's actually still available, well, that winter hat's actually available too. The Brain Dead Pit and the winter hat are both available still on A24.com. You can just go to their shop. The director's cut is sold out, so you'd have to find it on like eBay or something. I don't know if people will be scalping prices for it or not. That's obviously something you'll just have to look at. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go and drop a like on it. I would appreciate it. Helps me feel good about spending all this money to have some content for y'all. Obviously, I don't just spend the money to have content. I actually do enjoy buying these things and having them to keep for forever. Go and comment. Do you like Ari Aster? Do you like A24 as a movie company? What's your favorite horror film or film in general? Go and comment in the comment section below. I will read those and I will reply. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay up on everything. Subscribe to stay up to date on everything I do upload. There will be some new shoes that I've gotten. So for all the people that have followed my channel for a while, we're going back to hype stuff. So we'll be going back to have some shoes. For all the people that are tuning in that are like, oh wow, this guy likes movies. Maybe I'll do like a movie collection if I get enough likes or something on this video, or enough people comment. Like maybe if you guys want to see a movie collection, go and let me know in the comment section below. I can do that. I have quite a few movies. That would maybe be something I could do, but other than that, for you non-hype people, it's gonna be kind of iffy for the next couple weeks because I don't really have anything new coming in that's not shoes or stuff like that. So eventually I'll have something else that you guys can tune back into, but I would still appreciate if you guys would subscribe. Thank you guys for watching though. I do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Hope you guys are staying safe, social distancing, all that crap. We need to get through this so we can have a good 2021 instead of being stuck inside all the time. But until next time, guys, peace out.